My name is HUSNI bin MOHAMAD BAHARUDIN. I'm a group leader for this project. I divide tasks, which is mechanical and electrical part among my group members to create symphony and to achieve our objective.
Hi, I'm NORANTHRAN, the chassis expert of SYMPHONY the AERO car. What I do is design and develop the body of Symphony according to the drafted dimensions. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Darwin. I'm the electrical expert for this project. My work is to ensure the electric motor functions properly. Besides that, I ensure the proper lighting systems of Symphony. Thank you.
Hi, my name is PARMILA and I'm the graphic designer of this project group. And what I do is that I'm responsible for the development of Symphony in designing aspect, and I also manage the color of the Symphony as well. And I also involved in all those secretariat work such as paperwork and also posters. Thank you.
Hi, my name is MOHAMAD by HAMID. I'm a cabin expert. What I do is to ensure proper connection of the control surface and to demonstrate the movement of control surfaces. Thank you.
Symphony is a training kit for educational purposes which has a combination of chassis of go-kart and control surfaces which can also transfer loads.
So, the product objective for Symphony is that we want to design a mobile cart which implements all the primary control surfaces, and we want to build a safer training kit despite of the Cessna that we have in the hangar, and we want to demonstrate the students of the movement of the control surfaces that we install in the Symphony. And last but not the least, we would love to create a movable career to the students so that they can experience the pilot feel even more better.
The reason why we created Symphony is students are unable to understand and feel the fundamentals of control surfaces. Besides that, students are unable to apply application of workshop. Besides that, they also lack a pro-efficient training kit. Lastly, students are incapable of visualizing the movement of control surfaces on an aircraft.
Now, I'm going to demonstrate the product application of Symphony the AERO car. Once you're on the Symphony, you have to make sure that your seatbelt is on for safety reasons. Next, you have to make sure that the brakes are working. Thirdly, you have to switch on the navigation lights for safety purposes. Before that, you have to check the movement of control surfaces. To check the aileron and to roll to right, you have to turn the control column to right. And to roll left, you have to turn the control column to the left. Next, you have to test the rudder for yawing movement. Step the rudder pedals. To your right. Next, you have to pitch up and down to test the elevators. Now, you are ready to go. Turn on the engine. Apply the theory together with the movement of control surfaces. Thank you.
For the commercial value of the Symphony is powered up by motor and the battery, so it was an eco-friendly users, and it was the user-friendly, so everyone can use it. Plus, it was a low maintenance cost compared to Cessna itself. It is a better experience for others. Thank you.
As a conclusion, the product for our final year has achieved all the objectives that has been set, and we hope it will create a greater impact among the students. So, why not give it a try? Symphony the AERO CAR for a better understanding.